everybody, today we are going to make a gravity maze. Arjun, don't you think we can? But it's night time. Don't you think we can do some gravity maze?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go see what is inside.
Let me help you.
Okay, so Arjun, what is this?
That is a tower. That will be used as our starting point of the maze.
Good job. Okay, so we need to start with this.
There are many different types of towers which can help you navigate your marble, and this will be the place where the marble maze will be. This is the place. So
Okay.
this is the end. This is the start. So
Let's see what is inside in this box.
it seems that we have some poo.
Let's go open it. What is
So
inside?
basically, what
So we got this instructions how to make it.
we know that what this is like
And then I did over there.
challenge cards, and at the back there's solutions.
This is my channel. Okay. Okay, so
So Krishna, should we solve? So they are challenge cards. It is big. If it's game, then it is beginner. Then there is orange intermediate, blue advanced, and last but not least, the red experts. So let's get into beginner one.
with those nests.
So Krishna, just take this card and put it here. We can put it here.
Okay.
So now we know what. So what we need
It's yellow. We need
the
some.
yellow. I can help you put that in. Is this the right yellow? This is the yellow. What? Oh. So we need to put this here, and
We need to put the other one
I can show you.
to see the
Is it
yellow. Okay, so we need to take.
So we've got our puzzle set up. So what we need to add is this. There are more colors. There's one more gray. So what we need to add is purples and grays. So wait. This will drop here. Then this will drop here, which will drop into here, Krishna.
Okay.
And then we can just make it drop. Make it drop, and we can straight away get into our goal. So now, Krishna, please drop this marble in here.
Okay. Ta-da!
But we didn't did it because it needed to go to the red.
It is in the red. See? It's in the red.
Okay, so let's start with the next card.
Let us get
This.
our beginners 2. So let me help you set up board.
Okay, so we need some blue.
Wait, I can no.
Blue. We need a.
No.
It's the right blue.
Wait, that is the right blue. It's supposed to be here like this. And then this is supposed to be like this. So yeah, this is our board. And we need to add green, orange,
And
put that there, and gray. We need to use all of these 4 blocks
okay,
to
so
put that in.
let's get started.
This drops into here,
Let's go.
which can drop into here, which can again drop into here, drop into here, and drop back into here. So now, Krishna, put the marble in the blue pot.
Thank you, Arjun, to help me to make the unboxing made. I love you.